Look around us out here and you'll see hundreds of them, but today we're going to focus on just one, the TSTC West Texas wind turbine. Now the neat thing about this particular turbine is not only does it produce electricity that goes straight into the grid for consumption, it also serves as a training ground for our students in the wind energy courses. That means firsthand knowledge of the inner workings of the giant. Speaking of the inner workings, last time we looked at why the wind turbines were put in West Texas, and this time we're going to look more closely at how they operate. And who better to answer the questions than the experts from TSTC?
A wind turbine is the opposite of a fan. A fan requires electric energy to turn a motor, which turns a blade and creates wind. The turbine is the opposite. It uses the wind to turn the blade, which turns a generator, which produces electricity. Electricity is produced by the wind turbine, and then through a series of conductors or lines, it goes to a distribution grid. It can either be a high voltage transmission grid, or it can be a lower voltage consumption grid. The amount of power that is generated is dependent on the wind speed. When the turbine reaches 15 meters per second, it reaches its maximum output. The energy that is produced by the wind turbine will feed the consumption grid without modification. Other turbines have to have transformers, step up and step down transformers and converters. TSTC is very fortunate that we are able to network with the industry, and we have a lot of contacts and resources in the industry that keep us appraised of the latest technology.
But the winds of change don't come cheap. Each one of these things costs about $1 million to build, and to date the U.S. has spent approximately $15 billion in wind farm construction. But in return, they've created clean energy and a huge opportunity for jobs. With the TSTC Tech Minute, I'm Braid Sharp.